Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials quickly. Make sure DirectX 11 or 12 is present and Windows has the latest updates. Once done, update your GPU drivers from the vendor. This fixes many API mismatch errors. Next, run FIFA 18 with administrator rights and disable overlays such as Origin or Steam because they inject DLLs that can trigger the Directx function error. These first steps eliminate common environment causes so you can focus on the game-specific fixes. Once the environment is stable, change the in-game renderer. Force DirectX 11 or 12 explicitly in FIFA settings or via config files because automatic selection sometimes fails. After that, verify and repair the installation through Origin or Steam to restore any corrupted binaries. Then temporarily lower resolution, turn off VSync, and test in windowed mode. These changes reduce GPU load and help isolate whether the DirectX call fails under heavy rendering. If symptoms persist, proceed to driver and system tweaks. To finish, reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables and the DirectX runtime to ensure all DLLs are correct. This addresses many function call errors. If that fails, perform a clean GPU driver install using then reinstall the latest driver. Clean installs remove lingering incompatible libraries. Finally, test on another GPU or roll back a recent Windows update if possible to rule out OS regressions. If you still see the error, one key tip: capture the exact error code and GPU log before seeking further support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.